What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be opening these two $10 quarter rolls that I got from the bank. I want to see if we can find any kind of error coins, anything that would be more than face value. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with the first roll. Let's open this one up right here. Let's go through these one by one. Okay, we got our first bicentennial quarter. Pretty cool. Okay, so this is 2022. Trying to see if he has a drooling mouth error. I'm going to put it under the microscope because I can't see it. Okay, yeah, no, it doesn't have anything. Let's flip it over. Okay, so this does have the ghost comet tail error, if you can see it. This is the Dr. Sally Ride 2022 quarter, and it does have the ghost comet tail error. Can get a few bucks for this, about $5. I've had some luck selling those in the past, so that's good. All right, let's get this pack open. I don't see any silver. Hopefully we get some errors though. This one looks like an error coin, possibly. Maybe a lamination error. Very interesting. Has some toning as well. Set that one to the side. 2022. Okay, I don't see the, oh, wait, no, I do see the drooling mouth error on this one. If you can see it, right in the corner of his mouth. There is the drooling mouth error. And then you flip it over. This is also a ghost comet tail error. You can see it behind her head, right there. So this is another $5 quarter, possibly. Okay, guys, so this is what we got. 2022 Dr. Sally Ride quarter with a drooling mouth error and the ghost comet tail error. We have this one right here, this 2000 New Hampshire quarter. It has a line going through the front of a quarter from his nose to the bottom. And I'm trying to see if this is a retained cut or a major die break error, or if this is simply damage. So I'm going to hold that one to the side. We have another 2022 Ghost Comet Tail quarter for the Dr. Sally Ride quarter. We have a bicentennial quarter. And lastly, we have this error quarter. Looks like lamination error. I'm going to go ahead and weigh it and see how much it weighs. $5.3, guys. So I'm going to hold on to this to see if I can, find similar quarters that look like this to find out exactly what it is. But yeah, this was a successful hunt, I would say. Always wish I could find more, of course, but I'm not disappointed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.